Everyone. Today we have with us as our guest Mr. Milind Kulkarni. He's a pharmacist by profession and he has been working in the pharmaceutical industry for past 20 years. He has a vast experience in the field of sales and marketing and currently he is working with FDC Limited as a consultant. Welcome sir. Let's commence our interview. I would like to ask you the very first question.
Yes.
What does pharmacy mean? What is the scope of this field?
Pharmacy means it's a industry of medicines. Pharmacist, all they working as a hospital pharmacist, then retail pharmacist. And pharmaceutical field is a very big field for making career to anybody and everybody for that matter. Because there are so many options to make a career to the students. It's a paramedical section you can say. Doctors are diagnosing the patient's disease and pharmacy they are providing the right drugs to the patients. That is what the pharmacy is.
Okay. So how does one get admission to this particular course? Can you please tell us about the whole admission procedure, then the qualification required, and also about the institution that provide this course?
As far as the admissions are concerned, see, there are two types of scope is there to start the education in pharmacy. One is after 10th, students can join D pharmacy, that is diploma in pharmacy, and after 12th, they can go for directly for B pharmacy. But students who are selected D pharmacy after 10th, even they have the opportunity after completing their D pharmacy, they can very well get the admissions for further for the B pharmacy second year, and they can also get the degree. After B pharmacy, there is a lot of scope to become a M pharmacy, PhD, whatever the goals they have fixed in for themselves in the pharmacy career. It depends on that. So all the students they can get the admissions. Probably for B pharmacy after 12th, students need to select science faculty after the 10th. Those students are eligible for B pharmacy after 12th. I think now, as you asked me about institutions of pharmacy, there are so many institutes at every district of Maharashtra, every district of all states and their districts. Practically everywhere the institutes are there for D pharmacy as well as B pharmacy. So if I really want to name those institutes, it's very difficult for me to tell you the institutes' names. But there are several institutes are available in every city practically. So they don't have to worry about institutes, and they will get the admission for that. Sure.
So what are the skills and abilities required to lead a successful career in pharmacy?
Basically, skills and abilities when you talk about is, as I told you that I think many of the students they go for aptitude after 10th. So basically they should be, even aptitude wise also they should be suited for the science faculty and the study of sciences. So that is what, and they should have the learning abilities. They should have that hard work to take efforts and learn about science more and more, and probably those are the skills. And if you really want to make career in pharmaceutical industry, and of course basically the main skill which is required is communication skill, your knowledge and how you are communicating with that, your presentation skills, your research and development skills. So these are the skills which is required for making career.
So what are the opportunities available for higher education or research, also in India and abroad?
There are a lot of opportunities in India as well as in abroad. Because pharmaceutical industry itself is a big industry. Let me tell you that pharmaceutical industry is the third largest growing industry in India. India is growing third largest in pharma industry. And there are more than 20,000 units registered, manufacturing units. Out of that, 8,000 units are WHO GMP approved. 250 major companies are playing in India who are getting 70% of share. And India is into pharma industry, is the third largest in volume and at the 14th rank in value, especially as far as the pharma business is concerned. And that is why there is a big scope is there in pharma industry for several career options to the students. And for those career options, definitely there is a benchmark of some qualifications also, because basic requirements for those particular career options. And they are having a lot of scope for after doing D pharmacy, B pharmacy, M pharmacy, and PhD also. And even in abroad, lot of Indian representatives are leading in abroad also in pharma industry. So India is playing a very big role basically. 87 millions India is doing export. Out of that, 55% is formulations and 45% is the bulk drug. So India is the largest growing industry and there is a good scope for the higher education. In fact, from 2000 year 2000 onwards, there is a big scope has started for research and development. And there are two types of Indian and abroad opportunities students will have. One is R&D in big companies, multinational companies itself, as well as there is also CRO has been formed, that is contract research organizations are there and they are doing a lot of work for foreign companies, abroad companies. So research and development, it's a very big scope rather. In fact, if you ask any B pharmacy or M pharmacy students what is the choice of their career, the first choice they will say you that R&D. So huge scope is there for research and development, and there are other manufacturing, production and other career options also there.
So once you complete your education in pharmacy, what are the future prospects and job opportunities?
As I told you initially that there are so many opportunities are there for students. Pharmacist, the first opportunity they can work as a pharmacist, as a retail pharmacist, hospital pharmacist, industrial pharmacist, R&D pharmacist. There are basic, even academics is the career option. But apart from that, the major career option is the research and development, R&D, manufacturing, production, and the very huge and large scope is there in sales and marketing. Because there are so many, as I told you that more than 8,000 companies are in India approved and multinationals also are there. So there are so many companies they are working and a big profitable industry. So sales and marketing is having a very huge scope. So these are the options, and apart from that, when I say manufacturing and production, it doesn't mean only to allopathic drugs manufacturing companies. They are having a scope of Ayurvedic companies, Unani, then homeopathic companies, cosmetic drugs, and so many companies are there, chemical industries. They have a very huge scope for the career. And of course, sales and marketing will be always having the higher opportunities and higher number of posts available for them.
Sir, can you tell us something more about the opportunities in the field of sales and marketing?
Sales and marketing, as I told you, there are more opportunities are there for them. So when I say sales, is selling the products, and for that the starting position in the market is medical representative, and then they can become within a year or 2 years also they can become area manager, then regional sales manager, then zonal sales manager, then national sales manager, deputy sales manager, vice president. There are so many career growth is also there available for them. And students also additionally can do MBA after pharmacy also, and with MBA they can even get the opportunity for marketing career in pharma. See, there are two different things, sales is different and marketing is different. Marketing, where they design the product strategies, how to position the products in the market, how to promote the products in the market, that is what the marketing does. But sales is selling the products in the market. And for sales, one more good thing is that now, which is available for the students, is even BCom, BA, other faculty graduates along with BSc and pharmacy, all are having the equal opportunities to get entry into this pharmaceutical industry. So that is what the scope is there for them in sales.
Thank you very much, sir. Today you have come here and you provided us with so much information about pharmacy. I thank you very much.
Thank you.